In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add an attachment to a ticket in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your Zendesk account, you should see this on your screen. Above is a plus icon that shows add. If you click there, click on ticket. Let's use this for example. So this is a new ticket. So how can we add an attachment right here? Simply go right here on the bottom panel and you should see the add attachment icon with paperclip. Click there and then simply click on the attachment that you want to add. Open and enter. As easy as that, once you type in anything right here, this attachment would then be added to this ticket. As simple as that. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to click on our affiliate links below. See you in the next video.